Hi guys, for so many tiling window managers, your system lives actually inside the .config folder. Now, when we update your system, you'll get a sudo pacman -s you'll get and this is the reason why it's in here in my bookmark. So inside etc-skel, you'll get a configuration file and lots more. So I just built something new in Qtile, and it will not be saved on your system if you have already Qtile. So in the .config, there is the Qtile, BSPWM, awesome and all that. The new configs go in here and are not applied. Okay, so this is the new code. So what I would do, besides a skel, which is a command, is going to compare what is in here. And actually we can do it next to each other, like super shift enter. So this is your home directory. Go in here, you have also a Qtile folder here, this one, that one, right? Is this the same thing? What did Erik change? That's all you need to know. What did I change, right? Super. F5 launches Meld. Meld can compare folders. Folders are here. That's the skel. The skel goes to the left. Keep something logical for you. And this is my own. My own stuff is on the right. Compare this one with that one. Third party, my stuff, right? Home directory is always for me, right? So then we compare. We can leave this out, leave that out, and we see there is no change, right? There is exactly no change. This is a rough cache, which is basically an alignment in Python, and PyCache is built on the fly. Basically, we're good because the file filter says same. I don't want to see the same things. Everything is the same. I want to see the differences. So this is your power. Meld. Super easy. What's different between folder A and folder B? Super tool. This applies to anything we put out and is hidden in the etc-skel and can only, well, if you don't like the manual thing, I don't like that, right? But who am I? There's this meld thing. Let's first get my transparency back. That's super P, by the way, super P, super P, super P, super P. And there's super D, no, not super D, but super G. There's another one, super G and super P. You investigate what the difference is. You see it already in the slowly coming, slowly loading up the windows in the bar. No, not that. What was I going to say? So yeah, the skel thing, right? Skel is something that you can run, read, see what it does, watch out, will make backups, but it's super easy, super fun. It will make backup of your .config and overwrite everything then. So it's immediately applied for testing. That's much easier than just manipulate a folder, a file, right? This is just a dump of complete contents of etc-skel in your home directory. So remember, and yes, there is a backup. Cheers.